G'day legends, Scott here from GenXplorers, and today we are heading from Perth 1,000 kilometres north to Gnaraloo Station in a Jeep Wrangler. We'll see changing landscapes, rugged coastlines and some of Australia's weirdest looking animals. Hope you enjoy this episode, and please like and subscribe. Well, it's day one of our road trip to WA. It's about a 10-day road trip we're doing, going camping, and we're heading up to Geraldton today, which is about 4 hours. We've packed up the Jeep full of all the essential items, alcohol and a little bit of food. So our first stop is Geraldton, like I said, about 4 hours. And then from there we go to Gnaraloo, which is about 7 hours, the next on Friday. And then we're at Gnaraloo for 7 days, and we're heading back down slowly. And then we've got a trailer dragging behind us, and it's full of all the kite boards, kite gear, all the essentials, stuff to get us out of trouble. And we're on the way. Talk to you soon. So just outside Perth, we still have fairly lush bushland with large trees. And as we're heading further north, we're about 2 hours north of Perth now, and you can see the shrubs are slowly shrinking. So they're actually getting smaller and more sparse. And as we go about 4 hours north, again, even less and less of the shrubs and trees. And we're now going to be moving into, as we get closer to Geraldton, you can see the wheat lands. This is one of the largest wheat growing areas in Australia. About 6 hours north to Geraldton, and we're at the Sunset Beach Caravan Park. And for those who haven't seen them before, these are what we call a swag. They're an individual tent which we're sleeping in tonight and a few other nights. So after travelling 6 hours north of Perth, we were pretty excited to get to Australia's windiest city for a kite surf, but unfortunately the wind didn't show up, so we're going to pull some big kites out and have a bit of a go anyway. So it's about 40 degrees outside, and these roads just go for hundreds of kilometres, just end on end, with nothing at all side by side. But about halfway, to our surprise, we have a petrol station we can stop at. So we're looking forward to that. Well, this isn't just any ordinary petrol station. It's an eclectic mix of Australian souvenirs, boomerangs, didgeridoos, key rings. Obviously we have food, but the knickknacks are a bit crazy. There's a fuel bowser there. You've got your unusual clocks on the wall with the records. And the most weirdest thing that I've ever seen is a montage of photos of tattoos. Not sure what that's all about. Don't have any tattoos, so it's not really my kind of scene. It's a bit unusual. And then we've got a photo montage here of the people that have stayed here and left a photo behind, which I think is quite cool. And keeping in mind that this place is pretty much about 800 kilometres north of Perth.
I just need a reason. I just need to know what's on your mind. Tell me what you're needing. You can call my name, I'll be around. I can't hold back, 'cause I need you here right now. Right now. And if the sky falls down, I will keep you
So we're about halfway along the 80k dirt road, which we thought would take an hour, but it's going to take probably closer to 2 hours because we can't get much further than 50k an hour. But the locals that have been here before, they drive like fucking maniacs. They just flat pedal and just don't care what they're doing. Literally, I should be making money out of coming to certain areas and bringing rain. Honestly, I don't think it's rained here in about, oh, it looks like it hasn't rained here in about 100 years. But I turned up and literally it started to spit rain. I am the rainmaker. Anybody who's been camping with me can actually verify that, especially my wife. Every time we go camping, it rains. No shit, this is unbelievable. I could actually charge money for this. I reckon I could make a new career. This is unbelievable. I am the rainmaker. Well, here we are. We've arrived at our station, and it's a bit dusty, that's for sure. Plenty of wind. Looks like the Sahara Desert just out there. It's a very beautiful view. We're in cabin number 2, which is that one there. So I'll head down and see what bit of luck, it won't be locked. And I can show you what it looks like. I don't know why they lock the doors here, because no one's going to exactly come in and break in, that's for sure. But they do, they lock the door. Oh well, I'm not sure why, but they do. So we're just going to go and have a look at the view we've got tonight. Pretty spectacular view. Beautiful Indian Ocean, back off the massive sand dune there. The afternoon sunset. Probably not going to get a very good one tonight because of the clouds. But the next 4 days apparently are going to be windy and also no cloud. Pretty good to hear actually. Yeah. I can't give advice at all, other than he's going the wrong way. Stop! Straighten. Okay, stop. Fuck. It's good. It's good. That's it. Back in that pile of rocks again.
Oh, come on, mate. Like, we're requesting a station.
Okay, so we've found the inside of the apartment. Got 2 fridges, which we actually really do need 2 fridges. One for alcohol and one for food. So we've got the old bathroom. Actually, it's a lot nicer on the inside than it was from the outside, that's for sure. Look at flash. Not flash, when you saw the outside I was getting pretty worried. Pretty good kitchen. Got all the cooking utensils there, so I need to wield my magic. Got a table there, which I just fell over. I've got the queen bed and the single beds all in a row. We didn't get the air conditioned suite because I did hear air conditioning going in another place, but looks like we didn't get that bonus. But then again, it's not that hot. The breeze coming through, we'll be fine. Can't see any big screen TV.
Good morning and welcome to what is considered to be probably the most remote place on planet Earth, which was probably a good description because we are 1,000 kilometres north of Perth, which is the most remote capital city on the planet, and is absolutely stunning. This morning we've woken up a little bit dusty, but the surf looks pretty good out there. Like, didn't bring any surfboards because we bought so much kite surfing equipment, it was ridiculous. So we had to draw the line somewhere. Next time maybe I'll bring some surfboards, but not this time. It is a beautiful little spot up here. There are a couple of people up here, but literally they've probably only been, like, it's 10 hours north of Perth, and the last hour was a dirt road, which was absolutely brutal. It was a pretty bad road, and it would put off a lot of people in the touristy types of places to come to. There is power, which is good. Not between the hours of, I don't know, I think it was about midnight and 7 this morning, but the power's on now. It's just after 7 o'clock. So today we are heading out kite surfing. Hopefully we'll give you some bit of footage of that as well coming up. Stay tuned. It's going to be part of our 7 days in Gnaraloo catalogue.
I just need a reason. I just need to know what's on your mind. Tell me what you're needing. You can call my name, I'll be around. I can't hold back, 'cause I need you here right now. Right now. And if the sky falls down, I will keep you safe and sound.
Hey go, this is Scotty, the best chef in Gnaraloo, preparing marinating some chicken while we prepare to head off for the first kite session, hoping that the wind pick up soon. What are you preparing, Scotty, for us?
This is marinated chicken, mate, with a bit of a chili spice.
Yeah. Looks lovely.
Bit of a surprise.
Well, as you can see, I show you the fridge. We are pretty stocked up. This is what you need to do in Gnaraloo, because the closest thing is about 3 hours away. Look, Scotty doesn't eat much. I do. so we decided to be to be on the safe side. Otherwise, then I will have to eat Scotty lamb chops. All right, talk to you later. Bye bye.
Okay, so this morning we're preparing to go off-road a little bit. So we're letting the tyres down to about 20 psi. Hopefully make the road a little bit softer to drive on, because yesterday it was pretty horrific on some of the parts. It was pretty badly corrugated and it was really not comfortable at all.
Safe and sound.
So I've been learning to go low carb with Elio, and tonight I've made a low carb lasagna with mince on the bottom, and then I've got eggplant and zucchini on top with a layer of mozzarella cheese on top. But the most important part is our low carb red wine. Well, it's not really low carb, but who cares? Well, we've headed down to Gnaraloo Bay at around 11 a.m. The wind's still blowing offshore here, so it's a little bit dangerous. If something goes wrong, we're going to end up out in the ocean without any sort of jet ski backup. So we've got to be pretty careful. So we're just taking it fairly easy and getting ready for this afternoon when we go to Tombstones.
Well, this is when you know you're really in Australia, when you've got old man emu down there by the water hole. Literally, it's the only water inland I've seen, and we've even got the kangaroo down a little bit further. I was going to walk down and try and get a bit closer footage, but as soon as you get close to these animals, they're going to bolt. So these two animals are actually on the Australian coat of arms, the emu and the kangaroo.
So we were just cruising around checking out some kite surfing spots, and a few more of Australia's native animals have popped up again. There's a fair few around, but I must admit that the animal I've seen the most since we've left Perth are goats. They are everywhere. All along the highway there was just goats, like hundreds of kilometres away from anything, just wild goats. It's actually something I'd never thought I'd actually see. And don't miss our next episode when we go to one of the most dangerous surf spots in the world.